Manchester United fans, ahead of our match against Arsenal this coming Sunday, our gaffer, Michael Carrick, said in the press conference today that playing against Arsenal at Emirates is a big challenge for us. He said Arsenal being at the top of the table is for a reason. That means they work for it. That means Arsenal are a very good team. He said it. He even said our victory against Manchester City doesn't make us a great team. The only advantage of that victory is that it gives us a foundation to build on. So Manchester United fans, Mona pipe low. You see that victory against Manchester City, we all of us, they happy since that time. He said it doesn't make us a great team. That it only gives us the foundation to build on. But I have these feelings that Manchester United is not losing to Arsenal. I'm not saying we are defeating them. I'm not saying that. But we won't lose to Arsenal. But let's see what will happen at the end of the day.